Hi guys, this is just a short video to show you how to create a report in Word. If you don't have the file, you can go to Moodle and download using features of Word to write a report. We then need to open this document and we need to create a new document. We want to save this file inside an ICT folder, and we want a new folder called AS91070. We need to save this document as Achievement Standard 91070. I've already done it. So click it on there, and in this case replace for me. Okay, the next thing to do is to change our page margins to moderate. We find that under page layout, page margins, moderate, nice and easy. We're going to be working with the styles section of the Microsoft Word, so you'll find that on the home page, on the home tab under styles here. So we need our main headings for our report 91070, and we're going to use a font size of 20 and a font size of 18 for these ones. For the subheadings and the subheadings, which are these ones way down here, structuring files, saving and naming files, they need a font size of 14. So the first one is to create our main heading, introduction, because all reports like to have an introduction, and the world of computing, that's another main heading of ours, and applications and ethical issues. Okay, so there are main headings, and now we can select all of those, choose styles, and we have this lovely window pop up here. We're going to choose heading 1. If we want to modify, we just click on there, modify, and we're going to change that here to 20. Click OK and apply heading 1. Now they've all changed for us. The next thing that we need to do is have the operating system and key features of the operating system, and that's going under the heading the world of computing. So right under there we want the operating system and key features of the operating system. Remember that it is a title, so all of the main words need to be in capitals. For this one we want to make this heading 2, so we select both of those, and over here it says our subheadings, heading 2 is going to have a font size of 18. So we click on that one, and again we go modify, and then we choose 18. And we go OK, and we now click heading 2. So they have changed for us there, and they are under the world of computing. Under applications we need to have these titles. And I'll just pause the video while I run through and put those in. Okay, so I've got all of those typed in here, and as they are subheadings of applications, they're indented here, so we want to select all of those. They all run under the main heading of applications, and they are going to be our heading 2 as well. They will be like these ones. So all we need to do is click on heading 2 because we've already modified that. So we want to make those heading 2. Okay, now when you get your homework in here, that will, for the operating system, that will hop in here. I have already something a little bit here. Select all of that and pop that back in here. Paste. Okay, and now we just want to run that down further so it runs onto a second page. So let that run right through to another page. Yep, but we'll have this one back up here. Thank you. Key features of the operating system. Okay, let me just fix this up a bit. Okay, now each time that you do some more homework that relates to each of the headings, that's where you're going to be putting it in here. So I have that on one page, and then I run down and I have my applications, and under this heading here, if you have a look here, introductions between operating systems and applications, that one is going to be our subheading. So we need to have under here structuring files, just put